Hello dear students, welcome to a new math session. This time we'll be talking about the mean. Let's start by the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean of some values is the sum of the values over the number of the values. Example 1. What is the arithmetic mean of values 12, 14, 9, 13, and 12? So to find the arithmetic mean, we add them all together divided by how many values are they? There are 5 numbers, so the arithmetic mean equals the sum of them over 5, which is 12. In other words, the arithmetic mean is called the average. Example 2. If the arithmetic mean for values x, 23, 13 is 20, how can we find the value of x? So, if the average or the arithmetic mean is equal to 20, this means that the sum of them, x plus 23 plus 13, over how many they are, their 3 values, is equal to 20. If you move the 3 here with a multiplication, then x plus 23 plus 13, which is 36, is equal to 60. Then x equals 60 minus 36, which is 24. Second, the arithmetic mean of frequency distribution. In this example, the following frequency table shows the marks of students in their mathematics exam. This is the table where the marks are 10 points. It happened for 8 students, which is the frequency. We have 11 students who scored 13 points, and 15 students who scored 17 points, 9 students who scored 23 points, and 7 students who scored 30 points. The total number of students we have, there are 50 students. So to find the mean for this distribution, what we do is we form the following table. The marks and the frequency, we multiply them together. So if we call the marks x and the frequency f, we make another column which is called x times f. Then 10 times 8 is 80, 13 times 11 is 143, and so on. To find the mean, we get the sum of this column divided by the total frequency that we have. So the average will be 895 divided by 50, which is 17.9. Example 2 says the following frequency table shows the marks of students in the mathematics class, and here we have it as sets. More than 10, 10 students. More than 20, 20 students. More than 30, 25 students. From 40 to 50, 30 students. From 50 and more, 15 students. As you can see here, the total number of students, they are 100 students. To find the mean for this distribution, what we do is, the first thing we do is that we find the center of the set. How do we find the center of the set? We make the lower limit of the set plus the upper limit of the set. And this sum we divide it by 2. So the center of set 10 until 20 will be 10 plus 20 over 2 is 15. So we make this table. Here is the set, and then we find, and then we add one more column called the center of sets. How did we get this 15? We got this 15 from 10 plus 20 divided by 2. How did we get this 25? It's 20 plus 30 divided by 2, and so on. After that, we find this frequency table. We make our column x times f. 15 times 10 is 150. 25 times 20 is 500, and so on. To find the mean, so it's the sum of x times f, which is the 3700, divided by the sum of frequencies, which is the 100, then the mean is 37. Let's move to another type of exercise, which is choosing the correct answer. In question 1, the question says the mean of values 2 minus a, 4, 1, 5, 3 plus a is what? To find the mean, we add them all. 2 minus a plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus a over how many values are they? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So if you simplify this, the minus a and a plus a are crossed out together. So this one will be 15 divided by 5. Then the mean is 3. So the right answer for question 1 is choice C. If the mean of marks of 5 pupils is 20, then what is the sum? To find the mean, we make the sum over how many are they, so there are 5, is equal to 20. To find the sum, we multiply this by 5 here, then the sum is 20 times 5, which is 100. So for question 2, the right answer is choice D. Question 3, the center of the first set of sets 7 and more, 13 and more, 19 and more, 25 and more is what? To find the center of the first set, we make the lower limit plus the upper limit divided by 2, then it is 10. So the right choice for question 3 is choice C. Question 4, if the upper limit of set is 14 and its center is 10, how can we find the lower limit? The center is 10 means that the lower limit plus the upper limit over 2 equals 10. So instead of the upper limit, we're going to erase it and make it 14. So the lower limit plus 14 equals 10 times 2, which is 20. Then the lower limit equals 20 minus 14, which is 6. So for question 4, answer B is the correct answer. For question 5, if the beginning of set is 5, its center is 7.5, then the length of this set is what? So here, the length of this set is 10. Now, dear students, we came to the evaluation part. Check this question, pause the video, try to answer the question yourself, and then play the video again to check your answer. For this question, the following table shows the frequency distribution of marks of 10 students in mathematics. So here's the set and here's the frequency. The first requirement is to calculate the average or the mean of marks of students. The first thing we do is that we find the center of the set. First one is 10 plus 20 over 2, which is 15, and so on. So here is the table. To find the mean is the sum of x times f over the sum of frequency. So the mean is 350 divided by 10, which is 35. The second requirement, if the mark of success is 30, calculate the number of failed students. So as you can see here in this question, we want to find the number of students who scored less than 30. So students who scored less than 30, here we have 2 students and here we have 1 student. So the number of students who scored less than 30, or the number of students who failed, they are 3 students. Now, dear students, we came to the end of our session. Thank you very much and wishing you best of luck.